Hey, good afternoon from Disney's Contemporary Resort. We're here today. This is the original Walt Disney World Resort, and we're out to try out Steakhouse 71. Now, this is a brand new restaurant on Walt Disney World property, replacing the Wave of Contemporary Flavours. So we are really excited to try this out. We've heard some great things. Steakhouse 71, 1971 being the year Walt Disney, the Magic Kingdom opened. So we're paying homage to that and Walt Disney's legacy here, or lack thereof, as he never actually saw it, unfortunately. But we're gonna go inside, try out a couple of items on the menu, give you guys an overview of the restaurant as a whole, and let you know what we think once we get there. If you do enjoy the video throughout, appreciate if you give us a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot, and it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Monorail! Let's go. Look at the designs in here. Very Mary Blair-esque. Now we're going to go inside Steakhouse 71. So here we are at the bottom of the Contemporary, the ground floor. It's Steakhouse 71. Oh, opening day. That's cool. This is nice. Really nice decor in here. I like the wallpaper in here. I like the images on the walls. So it's a nice decor in here. It feels like a little bit classy. There is still a bit of a cafeteria vibe in here, we were just saying. We've just got the menu though. I'll give you an overview. So we've got appetizers, we've got French onion soup, we've got a couple of salads, Steakhouse 71 onion ring, cocktail, salt-dusted potato brioche with roasted garlic tomato spread. We might have to have that to share. Entrees, crab cake sliders, prime rib sandwich, stack burger. That is supposed to be like the best thing on there. Turkey club fish sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich, steak frites, vegetable Wellington, Salisbury steak. Got some quite nice things on here. Probably going to go for the stack burger today. Our brioche has just come out, and look at these. They look like, I don't know, they look like weird Yorkshire pudding type things. We've got the garlic tomato sauce there, and then that's a nice little touch with the 71 on top of the butter. Really cool. I think there's pepper on top of there. We don't have plates, he's just bringing them there. So this is really cool how it just kind of tears apart along the seams there. I quite like this. It's nice and warm when it came out, very salty. The relish, Becky's not a massive fan of this. I'm coming around to it, I quite like it. The butter itself is really nice. I was told this is like house-made butter, and yeah, it's definitely good butter. So the brioche was actually quite nice, very soft, warm. You know, it's not too doughy. You've got that light, fluffy texture to it. The butter was really nice as well. We found the relish to be a little bit funky, but underneath the relish there was like a garlic paste or something, which was very strong garlic paste, but it tasted quite nice when it's mixed with the tomato relish. So together that was quite a nice dish. Just waiting on the rest of our food to come out. It's been probably 10 minutes between starter and main so far, still waiting. That's not terrible, but
you know. Come on, I want to get back in the park. Hurry up, get me back in the park. Let's go and ride some rides. So we got our mains, 15 minutes between finishing our starters and getting our mains through. So I went for the stack burger, Steakhouse 71 stack burger, and Becky's gone for the Steak Frites.
Nice burger. You got the, what are they, like cross-patch fries or something? What are they called? Waffle fries, yeah, waffle fries. Yeah, so it looks good. Bacon in there, onions, mayo, burger itself, and a lot of cheese. And then we've got Becky's Steak Frites with chimichurri sauce on there, and parmesan fries. These fries are so good, the waffle fries. She's got more parmesan than I do. I'm sad about that.
So coming in from the side, we've got a piece of steak. That's incredible. That's really nice. That's cooked to perfection. We're after medium rare. That's perfectly medium rare. This is Steakhouse 71, so in theory they should know how to cook a steak, and if that's anything to go by, they really do. I'll show you a cross-section of the burger. It doesn't look too appetizing from the cross-section,
but it's quite a thick burger. I think you've got 2 patties in there. You've got the cheese, you've got the bits of bacon, the onion, and then you've got a sauce up there as well. He did bring us a couple of sauces, so we got some horseradish sauce somewhere. We've got the aioli. Yes. Becky doesn't like horseradish, but is eating horseradish sauce. We've got lemon aioli, we've got a special steak sauce, and we've got some ketchup. I'm excited to try this.
That meat is so soft. That burger breaks apart in your mouth. Really cheesy. The bun is like super soft. To be honest, actually, I know this is going to sound like really stupid and kind of rude to the restaurant. The bun kind of reminds me of like a McDonald's one, like one of those really soft, squishy ones. Tastes nicer. It does taste nicer because the burger is actually phenomenal. I'd order that burger again, without a doubt. And I'm going to give Becky some now, and I'm hoping she's going to say exactly the same.
They're making a whole bunch of your cocktails. This is a nice little lounge area. Ooh, Space Mountain. I do like the artwork in here. Pretty amazing in here, isn't it?
So that's it for our time at Steakhouse 71 and a little tiny explore of the Contemporary Hotel at Walt Disney World. We really enjoyed the food at Steakhouse 71. A little bit pricey, but you're in a deluxe resort here. Overall, I'd say, actually the steak was quite good value for money. The portion sizes that you had were fairly good. I'd definitely order the burger and the Steak Frites again. Not so sure about the starter. A couple of the cocktails that were being brought out looked amazing as well. And there was actually a chocolate cake, which looked like a 7-layer chocolate cake that you could get for dessert, and that looked to die for. Definitely recommend going there if you can. And if you're in the area by the Contemporary, check it out. You do need a reservation. They're pretty difficult to get, but keep an eye out. Sometimes you can get some last minute ones, but seriously, we do recommend doing it. If you did enjoy the video throughout, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help me out a lot. and it would be great if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.